Okay, today this stuff is from 5.3, and this first section is about addition, subtraction. I see the subtraction sign in the middle, which tells me I should distribute the negative so that I can just combine like terms. That gives me 5b minus 6b to the third plus 2b to the fourth minus 9b to the third minus 4b to the fourth plus 7. Once I have that piece done, I'm just combining like terms. I notice that my highest exponent is the fourth power, right here and here. So 2b to the fourth minus 4b to the fourth is a negative 2b to the fourth. I'm going to cross those out so I don't get confused. Next I see the negative 9b to the third and the negative 6b to the third. That's negative 15b to the third, just combining like terms. Then I've got the plus 5b and the plus 7. And I'm done. So combining like terms on the first section, it's addition or subtraction. If this was addition in the middle, I wouldn't have had to do anything. I just would have combined the like terms. Number 30, we're going to go through this process of foiling twice. So I'll start with z to both pieces. Z times negative z is negative z squared. And z times 2 is plus 2z. And the z is gone. I do the same thing with negative 4. I get negative 4 times negative z is plus 4z, and then negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. That'll give me negative z squared plus 6z minus 8 times z plus 8. And I'll continue the same process again. Negative z squared times z and 8, so I get negative z to the third minus z squared. Oh, whoops, should have written that the other way. Minus 8z squared. That piece is gone. I come here, 6z gives me 6z squared when I distribute. And 6z times 8 would be 48z. Now that piece is gone. Now negative 8 times z is negative 8z, and I get negative 64. I'll combine all my like terms. Negative z cubed minus 2z squared plus 40z minus 64. And there you are. Again, we're going to go through the process twice, and this third parenthesis comes straight down for the foiling of the last step. On 42, okay, for those of you who struggled with the Pascal's triangle idea, it's just like the last one. You do 3t minus 4, 3t minus 4, 3t minus 4, and you do your FOIL with the first two, bring the third one down and do the FOIL again to get through your answer. But I'm going to ignore that option for right now. If you're still struggling with it, that's what we'll do on Monday. But what I want to try to do is I want to try to use the idea that a minus b cubed equals a cubed plus, sorry, that's minus, get carried away sometimes, minus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared minus b cubed. I want to use that idea for this over here. So a is 3t, b is 4. Now if I just go through the process of plugging them into the right hand side of this equation, I get 3t cubed minus 3 times 3t squared times 4. And I keep going, I get plus 3 times 3t times 4 squared minus 4 to the third. Alright, so there's some simplifying to do along the way. I'll distribute the 3 exponent. So 3 to the third is 27. I get t cubed. I keep going. I have to be careful here now. Okay, as I distribute this, I know I'm going to have a t squared. But now I've got 3 squared, which is 9. I have negative 3 times 9, that's 27. 27 times 4, that's 108. Okay, or 106. See, 108. So this is going to be minus 108 t squared. Again, if you're not sure about that or you're struggling to get that done correctly, what you'd do is you would just multiply the numbers piece by piece at the end. So you'd have 3 times 9 times 4. And you got your 3 times 9 is 27. 27 times 4 is your 108. Okay, so that's how we get all of that. All the multiplying of the numbers, the ones we did earlier in class didn't have numbers here, they had variables. And so it makes a slight difference. All right, so plus 4 squared is 16 times, well, 9, because 3 times 3 is 9. And that gives us, 144. So I have 144t. And then 4 to the third power is 64. This right here is my answer. Now again, guys, you could go through the process of multiplying this by itself 3 times, and you'll get the same answer. But be careful. There are a lot of mistakes to be made along the way, and you just have to be cautious. There's nothing wrong with doing it a different way. I realize the coefficients here are a little harder to figure out, but they'll work themselves out if we just be patient, all right? Good luck. Hopefully see you on Monday with your assignment finished. If not, let me know what you got, okay?